it's gonna turn out looking like that. So 2 signatures. I don't like this angle. Oh, you kidding me? Get in. Okay, there you go. Yes. Today I'll be doing the challenge of the bookbinding stitch, which is dash and bar, and it's the one that my husband picked out from the other day. Okay, babe, it's time. Give me a good one.
Give you a good one. What's the most difficult?
Like hardcover stitch.
Okay, I'll try. Let's see.
Or curved spine.
Which one should I get? I got this one. Hardcover spine. Yeah.
Babe.
No?
Really?
No? You want to pick again?
Pick again.
No, I'm kidding. I got dashes and bars. Dash and bars.
Dash and bars. Okay. Dash and bars it is. Dash and bars. I watched a tutorial a little bit. I'm not sure how common this stitch is, but let's learn together. Today we're gonna learn together. So this is the channel, the tutorial that I watch. It's gonna turn out looking like that. Some vertical lines and some horizontal lines. That's why they're called dash and bars. Let's see how it goes. I won't be using any leather material for the cover because this is just for practicing. I'll just use cardboard boxes because that's the material that I already have. So let's start. Since this is practice, I will be using craft paper. And these paper sheets are from shopping bags. And I will just keep my handmade paper, because they're very limited. I'll just use them for whenever I feel confident about my stitching. So that it won't go to waste. And these are craft paper sheets that I left in the book press for like multiple days, so they should be flattened. Here we go. Well, this is as flat as they can be. From the tutorial, she is using 2 signatures. So signatures basically is a group of paper sheets. So 2 signatures, I just have to gather 2 groups of paper, and I have to decide how thick I want one signature to be. Let's see, 1, 2, 5. It's not that big, but maybe 7. Yeah, let's do 7. All right, so 7 paper sheets for each signature. Now let's fold them. Folder right here, the puncher. Yeah, the whole thing there. I need this later. The red. Okay. Now that I folded both signatures, I am trimming the edge of the signature because, as you can see here, they're uneven due to the fold. No. In fact, this process is not even that necessary because it's just a practice round, but it kind of bothers me a little. So I want to make it even. Now 2 signatures are already even. Pretty much even. Not perfect, but this would do. And next process is to prep the cover. I have this quite thin cardboard box from a notebook that I just ordered by a really amazing bookbinder. And I'll be using this to make cover. The fold here might be a problem. Have to change it. I just found a perfect material to use for a cover, and that is the old calendar cover. This is from a real estate company that is local to my neighborhood, and this company usually sends out, you know, calendar every year. So I just used one from last year. All right, let's get to work. This calendar paper works perfectly because I need, you know, like a long, straight, and flattened space for my signatures to be, you know, completely fold. Like the length is enough for both of these, you know, when fold. And the previous cardboard box did not do that. So that is why this works perfectly. So what I gotta do is to cut this cover to the same height of this signature. I don't like this angle. Okay, get the job done. It cracks. It's alright. It's just a practice. 1.5 centimeters. Make the crease first so that it'll be easier to fold. Yeah, beautiful. I should have done that before, Gibb. Should have done that for this one. Well, now I learn. Now I learn. The next step is to punch holes. Now we have to figure out the position of the holes. Starting where? Maybe check on the tutorial if I have to start with the signatures or the cover first to punch holes. So it turns out I'll just have to punch holes on each signature, like, you know, like I normally would with other stitches. So I'll just choose 1/2 inch hole and I'll just punch in the middle. Do that for 2 signatures. And now for the cover, I have to punch holes in 2 columns, you know, at the same level with the signature. Just have to do it in 2 columns. So from here to here, that's 1 row, and from the other here to here, that's another row, so that each row will hold 1 signature. I hope that makes sense. And that's the idea. Okay, now let's see if we can do it correctly. Now I'm putting this at the right position. Punch tool. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 9, 10. That's 1 signature done. Nicely done. Okay, that's pretty much in the center. Not perfectly, but that would do. Okay, now 2 signatures already punched through. Nice and center. Here comes the cover. Now I think I get the perfect lines. You can see it right here. So I will have to punch holes along these 2 lines for those 2 signatures. And we'll slowly create a dashes and bars pattern. Have a look at that. Okay, now let's bind. Okay, now comes the fun part. Binding. I have to watch the tutorial along with the binding. Actually, I'll be using the bigger thread so that I can see the thread more easily. Holding these two together. Okay. Start from the inside. Return out to the cover. And that will be this hole. Okay. Okay. Getting there. Alright, return to my paper. Oh, you kidding me? I think I made the signature too thick. That's why I kind of stuck a little. Okay, baby, come on out. Here we go. Leave it at that. Return to the other signature here. Okay. Alright, this is a little awkward situation. Making the first bar and through the signature. There's my hole. Where will we hold it? My hole! Get in! Okay, there you go. Come on in, baby. Turn the next hole back out. So this one back out to the signature, back out to the cover. Return to the following hole right next to. Oh, wait. Did I do the right thing? Okay. Alright. Gotta get into this hole to another signature to make a dash, and then gonna complete the bar. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Started to see the pattern. Started to see the pattern, everybody. Everybody. I go here and hole. Ow. Yee. There. Nice. And now out here. Yes. 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 Okay. Now I stitch all of the hole. What's left is arranging, like trying to adjust, making sure that all the thread is tight. Taut, and that will be all. Alright, now everything is nice and tight and taut. It's time to tie the thread. Okay. Okay. Beautiful work. Beautiful work. Feel like a picture album, right? But I still have to cut this. Alright. And that's it. Mission complete. All right, now that our mission is complete, I already finished the challenge, which is dashes and bars, stitches. I'm proud of what I did. It's a little awkward when I did this stitch, but it's fun. And after a while, I got a hang of it. I hope you have fun as well. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll be back with more bookbinding challenges. See you then.